show you guys our empty apartment tour. We moved to Fort Lauderdale actually yesterday. We don't have any furniture, anything. We starting out brand new. So I'm just gonna show you guys around, okay? You gotta nod your head, okay? The camera. Once you walk in the apartment, the first thing you see is our kitchen. I love the granite countertops. I love the dark cabinets, stainless steel appliances and everything. I love the 2-door fridge. We got our Nintendo, so we're gonna get that working on it. And it has an ice maker. My last apartment did not have an ice maker. We was using ice trays, the old school way. So yeah. And my favorite part about the kitchen is this industrial sink. I've never had anything like this. I think it's cool, innovative, yeah, all of that. So yeah. Whole living area kind of flows, which is what I like. So if I'm like in here cooking, I can watch TV, whatever we're gonna put the TV. But we have this really huge living space. I don't know what we're gonna do in here. We're gonna do something. I don't know. We got a few ideas. We're gonna figure it out. Say what you do. So from the living area, we have these huge, what are they, 12 feet sliding doors.
Is it?
Yeah, 12 feet sliding doors, and I mean, you walk out into this oasis. Come on, you gotta follow me, you gotta follow me. It's not that pretty outside today, but I mean, this view is just beautiful, right? Once you come in from our little oasis that we're gonna make, you have the bedroom. So for me, come in here, come closer. Look, this is a no judgment free zone, okay? We moved here, no furniture, no nothing. So just wait on it, because we're gonna do a whole fully decorated apartment tour. I mean, yeah. So all we have in here is the bed and like the things that we brought from when we travel. If you watch my vlog, then you've seen that part. But so the only thing I don't like about this apartment is the carpet in the bedroom. But I mean, with the view and everything that we're getting, I mean, I really feel like I can live there. But we have a really huge walk-in closet. The bedroom, it transitions into our bathroom, and I think this is like my favorite place in this whole apartment. So yeah, come on in. This is our beautiful bathroom. We have Jack and Jill. Is it Jack and Jill? It's Jack and Jill, right? Mm-hmm. Yep.
Him and hers, whatever. Him
and hers, Jack and Jill, whatever. Sinks, and then we have this beautiful, I mean, look at it, walk-in shower. I mean, oh my gosh. Amazing, right? And then you have this huge soaker tub. I cannot wait to take care of it. Both baths in here. It's just beautiful. Love it. And then of course we have the commode. Nothing special about that. All right, so this is our bonus room, worker room, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna turn this into like a really cool office space. I'm sorry if my voice is a little echoey, but we don't have any furniture in here. But yeah. Faye's gonna like hook it up for me. He's gonna do something, a grass wall or some type of neon sign. I don't know what he's gonna do, but we're gonna let him do it. We're gonna let him do everything. So once you walk from our bonus or work area, you're back at the door. So thank you guys for watching our apartment tour. I'm so excited about moving to Fort Lauderdale. I mean, I've never lived in a tropical climate. I've lived in Tennessee my whole life, so this is something new. And honestly, God has really blessed us. Like, we had a lot of bumps in the road, but I mean, we're here, we made it, so that's what I'm excited about. So yeah, I'm glad you guys stayed and watched the whole video. I mean, I ain't saying that you gotta go home, but you gotta get on out of here.